What's up, guys? This used to be our studio. Oh my gosh, this is where I used to stand. Oh my gosh, with no equipment, no desks or anything in this room, you can like hear everything bouncing off the wall. This is our old studio. Let me show you the new studio. Boom! Here we are in the brand new studio. We've got 4 different studio sets that we can choose from here. I'm going to show it all to you. You're going to see it in this upcoming live stream that we're doing. Here it is. One thing you'll notice is there's a lot of lights, and all of these lights are pretty much trying to stay out of the scene, but we can't keep them out of every scene. But these are LED panels. They're very low energy, and they're not very hot. This is a big space, so it doesn't get super hot in here. It's nice to be able to move around. We're gonna have wireless microphones, wireless in-ear monitors. Each space has like a monitor. So this monitor in particular is a tilt monitor, so it doesn't pick up a lot of glare when we're live streaming. We have a ceiling camera that's going up in just a moment here, so we can shoot down on this table and have optical zoom to show nice details. I always personally love to have kind of a behind the scenes camera where I can kind of show things up close and personal, kind of if I'm presenting this way, have the ability to look back toward the audience and bring them in on the conversation. Again, lots of lights. You got hair lights coming from behind, you got lights coming in the front, key and fill lights, presentation monitor. This used to be our old D-shaped table. Tess and I did so many videos in this type of area, but we've got a new stand-up area, and we've got some kind of, this is more of like a bar height area. You can see we still got to clean some stuff up, but everywhere you look, there's behind-the-scenes cameras. We always want to be able to kind of show the space. You guys know our show. We want to show more than just the talent on camera. We want to be able to show, zoom into things on tables, show things close up. And this area, again, the cool thing about these lights is if we're focusing on this area, we can just spin them. So we've got a lot of different lights that are able to do a lot of different things. I'm gonna spin this one around a little bit. Still gotta position the lights just right. But we've got a lot of lights, and I'm gonna show you the DMX lighting controls as well. This is our 3rd studio over here. Studio space, this is all one big studio, but this area right here is kind of like a stand-up weatherman presentation space. It's gonna be really cool. Gonna have a huge TV to present with, a couple different cameras. We've got cameras all over the place. And really quickly, I want to show you guys the Click Dmx. Everything is controlled by this little control center over here that Mike's got. 2 televisions plus a 3rd. This is our confidence monitor. So this is so that no matter where you are, you can kind of see what's going on. Still got to set up tally lights. Still got to set up our Elgato Stream Deck. Still have to set up a lot of Vmix stuff. But I have this really cool ability to turn off all the lights in this room with one click of a button, and then turn them all back on. Let me show you some of the shots in Vmix, if that's possible, Mike. As we're doing our setup here, we do have the ability to bring in people from Zoom. So we've got Zoom on one side, Vmix on the other. Nothing's changed there. But we've just got a lot of new camera angles. And all the cameras are Ptz optics, pan tilt zoom cameras. So we have the ability to zoom in any of these. Mike likes to do it right in Vmix, but we're all going to have an IP joystick controller too. But we have the ability to zoom in from a lot of different angles, cut, fade to close-ups. This is that stand-up desk area that we were looking at. So we have the ability to kind of show really cool presentations on a television, which I'm happy about. This is our behind-the-scenes shot from this side. This is actually an ePTZ camera. So we have the ability to zoom in on things on the table, show the behind and the front of areas. That camera is going to be on the ceiling soon. This is our secondary behind-the-scenes camera. So if we need to, we have the ability to zoom in on items on our desk there, but we also have the ability to do a cross shot for this set. So we're going to set up what's called Ptz Camera Presets, and we'll have a couple different presets. So if Tess is standing over there, for example, we'll have a nice cross shot for her. And then of course, we have a front shot for her. This is our, okay, that's our 12x behind the scenes. There's also a wide angle Z cam. This is really good for close-ups. That's a popular shot that we haven't had. And then we've got our 30x here shooting all the way across the entire room. You'd never know it, but that shot is shooting a good 30, 40 feet away and getting a nice close-up of that presentation space there.